So she said, guess what? I said, what? She said, guess what? I said, what? She said, it's a subscription box dump. So this is a conversation I was having with a friend the other day. So hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to this video of this particular subscription box, which is called as Guess What Box. Because I was not really aware about it, and then finally I recalled a few of you actually asking me to do a guess what ka subscription box, and I was like, fine, I guess it right. So it's a guess what subscription box. It is an amazing subscription box because they give you almost like 6 to 8 products which are lifestyle, beauty, or anything in trend. It is actually mostly a surprise kind of a box. So this is the first time me unboxing this particular subscription box, so I'm just so very excited. The box came really nicely packed, and this is what it looks like. It's a nice metallic-y blue color with a very nice bow and a pen. So this is what the box actually looks like up close and personal. When I open it, of course it has some cards as usual that come along with all the boxes. So this edition is called as Keep Calm and Travel On. So this is what it looks like. There's a card which says the same, Keep Calm and Travel On, and at the back they have this guess what thing. So they have all the details about their Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and their website. All of that is mentioned on this particular box. And then there's another card which gives you the detail about all the products that is given inside this box. And then at the back they have the prices mentioned of each and everything which is given over here. So after that there is this beautiful purplish wrapping. So when I open it, there are a lot of goodies which are just so attractive. So I'm going to pull out things one by one and show you guys what I got. So the first thing that I see in the box just as I open it is this pack of cards, I feel like. So it's a game which is called as number 1 for family and family fun. So this is actually, because this is a travel edition ka box, they have given cards. Oh, I'm sorry, I tore the packaging. So they have given some cards, and trust me guys, I think they've just read my mind. I was looking for a card game because I think somewhere we are losing the touch of actually board games, card games, the precious times that we actually spend with the family playing the games. I think those memories that we have is just so valuable, and these are the memories that I really cherish. I always remember me and my mum playing Ludo and that snake and ladder, and I really have such fond memories with her playing that game. So I think games are a wonderful way of connecting people, friends, or the family. So yes, a pack of cards, and I think that's wonderful gesture. The next product inside the box comes in a pouch like this, very beautiful packaging, and we have something by the brand called as Plump. Plump is a really nice brand, so I think you will be seeing a couple of things from this brand Plump in my May favorites for sure, because I'm really liking it. And this is called as Plump Pouty Lip Scrub. Definitely I'm not such a big fan of the lip scrubs. I don't know why I am repeatedly getting this product. Yeah, but I think it's a great product, but I don't really use a lot of lip scrubs, but I might just use it. I like the packaging of it. It's a glass packaging, and the packaging is really luxurious. So for the packaging, yes, I like it. And then moving on to the next product that we have, I'm just randomly pulling out things. So it's a nail paint, guys, and such a beautiful nail paint. It's a mint color, and it somewhat looks like an ice cream. If you just turn it upside down, it looks like a really nice, beautiful ice cream. And yeah, I have never seen a packaging like this, and this is called as Miss Nails Ice Cream Polish, and this is manufactured by Crystal Cosmetics, and the quantity is like 10 ml. It's a beautiful color. I do have a shade like this, so I think it's a very beautiful shade for the summer, so I'm excited about this one. I anyway love nail polishes a lot. Then moving on, guys, we have a pack of Oreo as well. So this is the Choco Creme flavored Oreo, and this is the bigger one, and this is called as Chocolatey Sandwich Biscuits. Yeah, I'm a fan of Oreo, and I love anything eatable in my subscription boxes any day. So there is something eatable, and there is also something to drink. So we have this Amul Cool Rose. So this is a rose flavored milk, I guess. Yeah, so these are two things, and the treats are actually complimentary. That means they don't charge you for this particular thing. By the way, guys, this particular box is priced at rupees 14.99, and they give you products worth around 3,000 rupees. So when you subscribe this box for 1 month, they will charge you 14.99. So all the details will be given in the description box. So yeah, do check that out. Moving on, we also have some more products. So this is one of the products that I think is anytime a travel essential, and it is actually an organizer. You can also keep it in your bag, you can also keep it in your handbag, and trust me, I was really in need of one. So it is a great multi-purpose bag. You can just arrange everything and just put it in your handbag, and that way your handbag is really clutter free and very organized. And you can also carry it as a caddy to your bath. I think like you can just carry it in a multiple ways because it has a lot of compartments. You can also use this particular pouch to kind of store in your electronics, such as your battery, your hard disk, your ear plugs, or anything like that, your chargers and everything. And it has a mesh pocket, I mean a lot of mesh pockets, some solid pockets. Then there are zipper compartments as well. So on either side there is a zipper compartment, and in the center there is this middle compartment. It is really spacious, and the pockets are repeated at the back as well, the way I showed you on this side. So it's a really multifunctional pouch, and I think each one of us should have this. And this is kind of around 400 on Amazon. So I think this is a really nice thing. It is very useful. It is really useful thing to carry. Yes, you can carry a lot of toiletries, your makeup, all of that in this particular bag. So really a travel essential, so very thoughtful of them. Moving on to another product that I wanted to show you quickly is this, guys. So this is the Revolution, Makeup Revolution London's. This is Handbag Hacks Brow Kit. Now, who has seen a packaging of Makeup Revolution like this? I have not seen it. It's beautiful. The packaging is super cute, and it comes in a mesh bag, and the mesh bag has a logo of Makeup Revolution London, if I can show you. So it's beautiful, guys. I have a lot of Makeup Revolution London Cup products, but never have I seen a packaging like this from them. And yeah, it has just it is amazing. It's beautiful. So this zipper is actually sealed, if you can see. I cannot really move it, so I have to cut this thing out from here. I can talk a lot about the packaging. It's amazing. And then when I open it, we have this brow kit. I really like brow kits. For some reason, I'm into my brows a lot. It also comes with a brush, guys. It is the Makeup Revolution London Cup brush. It's amazing. Can you see this? It's amazing. The brush feels really good. I mean, most of the times the brushes that come in the kits are so useless that you have to kind of throw them away, but this one feels really good. And this is what the product actually looks like, guys. So it has a lot of shades into this. It has a brown ash color shade. It also has a highlighter, and it also has a gel kind of a thing with which you can actually set your brows. It's wonderful, and it's a really useful product. And the shade that I've got, I'm not sure the shade number and all, but yeah, this is called as Brow Kit, and I think this is amazing. It's beautiful, and it is such a useful product, and I'm sure it's very expensive. I really love the packaging of this one, guys. It's amazing. So I'm very happy and excited about this particular thing that I've received in this particular box. Now moving on to another product, which I'm again very excited about, mainly because it's a bag. So I've received a bag. It's a sling bag, and it is a very heavy bag. It's a very heavy duty kind of a bag, and it's black and white. So anything black and white, my top. Yes, I love anything black and white, because literally you can wear any kind of makeup on black and white and it looks all fine. So that's why. And it's a beautiful bag, black and white. It has some crisscross pattern right over here, and then when I open it, it is like this inside of it. I already love the straps. Oh my god, it is a good quality bag. I'm a sucker for bags, you guys know. It's a very good quality strap. The strap speaks a lot about bags, let me tell you very honestly. So it's a very good quality bag, and I just like it. It's amazing. Can you see this bag? And these straps are also adjustable. When I open it, it is a very good quality bag. I'm kind of surprised, because most of the times when I get bags in subscription boxes, they are either too small or they are like very flimsy to carry. So that's why I'm not such a big fan of bags that come in the subscription boxes. But this time I'm very happy. It's a very nice box, guys, and it has two compartments inside of it. In the back compartment, they also have given a zipper, and then it is like really spacious. It is not a bad bag at all. It is a very good bag. I really like it. So guys, I think that is it inside this box. Yes, that's it. I'm left with just some thermocol balls and nothing else. So yeah, that's it in this particular bag. That was all. I think I really like this box and I would highly recommend you guys check the travel edition out. I mean, keep calm and travel on. This edition is amazing because the products are really useful. I'm not sure about their other editions, but this one, travel on, I mean, keep calm, travel on, it is a good box. It is a good box to invest in because the products are really good and they're really useful. So yeah guys, all the details and everything about this particular box, which is called as the Guess What box, will be mentioned in the description box along with the link, which of course you can click and check the box out and decide for yourself whether you want to buy it or you don't want to buy it. So yes guys, that was all in this video of mine. And yes, do not forget to participate in my giveaways. Like this video if you have liked it, and also comment about your favorite thing in this particular box. Also do let me know about your opinion. What do you think, whether this box is worth $14.99 or it is not? I'm really waiting for your opinions and suggestions. So thank you so much once again for watching this video guys. I will see you in my next one very soon. Till then, you take care of yourself, keep happy, keep healthy, keep smiling. I love you very much guys. Bye bye. Mwah.